So you want to protect your home with a proper attic ventilation system. That's great, but what exactly is a proper attic ventilation system? First, you need to understand that your home is under attack. Heat and moisture, the terrible two, are attacking your home, and they never stop trying to take over your attic. When heat is trapped in your attic, so is moisture. Trapped heat travels down to your living space. When moisture creeps into your attic and gets trapped, it can cause all sorts of problems. In the summer, attic heat can soar to 140 degrees or more. If heat and moisture are not removed from your home by proper ventilation, serious damage will occur, plus higher utility bills. Some costly problems heat and moisture cause. Wet insulation means trapped moisture that will slowly degrade the entire roofing system, from the decking to the building itself. Peeling paint. Trapped moisture works down through the walls and causes paint to bubble, crack, and peel. Crumbling shingles from trapped heat and moisture steal years of useful life from the roof over your head. Mold and mildew. Without proper ventilation, the crawl space under your home collects moisture that promotes mildew, mold, and rot. Rotting wood from trapped moisture can cause serious damage to your home. Trapped heat causes your air conditioning system to work itself to death prematurely and will cost more to maintain and operate. Did you know most manufacturers of paint, insulation, windows, and other building products state that inadequate ventilation can void warranties? All major shingle manufacturers void their warranties if their shingles are installed over improperly ventilated attics. Avoid the void. Proper ventilation required. You can stop the problems of heat and moisture with a proper ventilation system. Intake and exhaust are required for a proper functional ventilation system. One without the other does not work. Exhaust vents allow heat and moisture out of your attic area. Intake vents allow fresh air into your attic area. Each must be of proper type, size, and number to provide proper ventilation for your home. Only a balanced ventilation system gives you proper protection against heat and moisture. 50% exhaust and 50% intake. Lomanco ventilation products put heat and moisture on the run. Here are the 3 must-do steps to attic ventilation. Step number 1. Install all exhaust ventilation at the same height within a common attic area. Step number 2. Install only one type of exhaust ventilation within a common attic area. Step number 3. Install a balanced system of exhaust and intake ventilation. Now that you know the 3 must-do steps to attic ventilation, we can build your ventilation system. Static vents are designed to take maximum advantage of the natural movement of heat and air. Some of the choices you have are gable vents, ridgeline vents, roof vents, soffit vents, deck air vents. Lomanco deck air vents are unique and can be installed as intake or exhaust vents. Intake is installed in the lower attic area and exhaust is installed in the upper attic area. Foundation vents. Foundation vents allow your crawl space to be ventilated. Besides static type vents, you can also choose power vents. Lomanco standard power vents exhaust heat automatically with a preset thermostatic switch. An optional humidistat switch is available to automatically control moisture too. Solar power options are also available. Another type of vent available is the wind-driven turbine vent. Lomanco Whirlybird turbine vents are built with proprietary ball bearings. Whirlybird turbine vents use the slightest breeze to give you efficient and dynamic ventilation. 100% guaranteed for as long as you own them. How many vents do you need? Download our app. The Lomanco Vent Selector app is available for both iOS and Android devices. The best return on investment for protecting the longevity of your home is the proper installation of a balanced ventilation system with the proven performance and quality of Lomanco Vents.